The videos you're seeing on your screen right now can all be created using a 100% free AI tool. With this software, you can generate unlimited short-form videos, long-form videos, slide decks, and much more. So make sure you watch this video until the end. Now, let's head over to Google, search for NotebookLM, and open the first official website. Then click on Try NotebookLM. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. First, click on Create New Notebook. A new interface will open. If you see a welcome pop-up, simply close it and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, once we're on the dashboard, you'll notice the Studio section on the right-hand side. Here you'll find multiple features available. You can create audio overviews, slide decks, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and many more. In an upcoming video, I'll cover all of these features in detail and give you a complete step-by-step guide to using NotebookLM. But for today's tutorial, our main focus is how to create AI-generated short videos. So let's continue. The first thing you need to do is click on Add Source. Once you click it, you'll see several options. You can paste a YouTube link, upload a file from your device, import content from Google Drive, or even use a website or article URL to turn it into a video. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a YouTube video as my source first. I'll open YouTube and select the video I want to use. Then I'll tap the three dots, click Share, and choose Copy Link. Now I'll go back to NotebookLM, paste the YouTube link into the source box, and click Send. The tool will take a few moments to analyze the content and extract the necessary information. Once it's finished processing, the next step is to choose what you'd like to generate. Since today's topic is short-form videos, I'll select Video Overview. Here you'll have the option to create both explainer videos and short videos. We'll cover explainer videos in another tutorial, but for now, let's choose Short Video. NotebookLM will automatically suggest a few topics based on the content. You can either select one of the suggested topics or type in your own custom topic. In this example, I'm selecting the first suggested topic, which is about Hitler. Now I'll click Generate. The video generation process has started. Depending on the complexity of the content, it usually takes around 4 or 5 minutes, although sometimes it may be faster or take a little longer. Just wait until the process is complete. While the video is generating, let me mention one important thing. Even though this tool creates original AI-generated videos, I still recommend adding your own touch before publishing. For example, you can replace the AI voice with your own voiceover, make a few edits, or add extra visuals. This makes your content more unique and further reduces any potential copyright concerns. It also improves your chances of getting monetized on platforms like YouTube. And that's it. Our video is now ready. Here's the final result, created entirely with NotebookLM.
In 1923, Adolf Hitler staged a humiliating, botched coup. Just 11 years later, his rule was absolute and unchallengeable. So how did he legally eliminate every internal threat? It started with desperation. In the 1920s, hyperinflation meant a single loaf of bread cost $500,000. Then the Great Depression hit, leaving the German people starving and desperate for a savior. Hitler weaponized their anger over a punishing post-war treaty and rode that wave of fury right into the Chancellor's office in 1933. But he wasn't a dictator yet. In a normal state, the military serves the nation itself, acting as a powerful check against any single rogue politician. In 1934, Hitler found the ultimate loophole. He declared himself Führer, supreme leader, and fundamentally rewrote military law. He severed the army's constitutional oath to the German state and forced every recruited soldier to swear a new oath directly to him, personally. With one legal maneuver, the entire constitutional structure collapsed. The armed forces were no longer defenders of a country. They were his personal enforcers. When those soldiers marched across Europe, launching the most devastating war in human history, they weren't legally fighting for Germany. They were legally bound to execute the terrifying will of one man.